So now we have installed PostgresSQL, and now we will open PostgresSQL and see how it works. So go to the search and type PgAdmin. So we see this PgAdmin coming up and it is opening. Let's just wait for PgAdmin to open. And we see that PgAdmin has started. As I said, the master password that had to be entered, that we have entered while installing, has to be re-entered. We see that this is the workface we will starting with. Click on servers. We will see that you have 14. Then you have databases, and you can create databases, add databases, see schemas here. We will have our tables here. We will have everything here. And if we right click the data, any database, Postgres or other, which we will do, and click on the query tool. So this is basically the query tool where we will be working and writing a queries to query data to get information out of data. Thank you.